In the more recent videos, you may have noticed the on-brand articles of clothing. If you followed me on Twitter for more than a few months, you might also remember a couple of posts that include my favorite coffee mug. I'm excited to say that these items are all available now on the brand new iHeartGameDev website and merch store. Over the past few weeks, I've been learning all about the e-commerce website Shopify, and that's the platform that I actually chose to go with here. I even customized a theme using some of my old web development skills that I haven't used in quite some time. But I'm very happy with how the style turned out, and I think it definitely fits the vibe that's been established for iHeartGameDev over the past year and a half. So let's get into what's actually being offered right now. For the first collection titled Series 1, we're going with the classics. A branded iHeartGameDev t-shirt, a hoodie with the stitched iHeartGameDev logo, and a Great Day to Make Games coffee mug. The plan is to add new designs every few weeks or months, but these core designs are what I consider to be the classics and will probably always be available. To celebrate the launch of the store, for the month of October, you can grab 15% off using the coupon code IHEART15. And if you're a patron, at the Super Supporter tier and higher, you can grab a 25% off coupon code as one of the patron benefits. Be sure to check out the channel's Patreon for more info about the other benefits there. So yeah, this is a very exciting moment for the channel. This wouldn't be happening if it wasn't for all of you, so thank you all so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. And thank you for your patience on the upcoming videos. They are in the works. They're just taking me a little bit of time to get through. The next video will be a big refactor of our current built-in character controller script to use state machines because right now it's kind of a mess. And the video following that is the Cinemachine tutorial that was voted for by the patrons. So thank you again for that. And thank you for your patience. But that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.